Okay, welcome back. The car is CRV RD5, year 2002. This is the JDM version. I didn't come with tweeters, and today's project is to show you how to install aftermarket tweeters on this car. So this is the provision where the tweeters are supposed to be from factory, but surprisingly this model didn't come with tweeters. So we are going to remove this cover which is supposed to hold the tweeters. The process is pretty simple. You just use a screwdriver, but it must be with a plastic tip so that you don't ruin the covers. So this is how you do it. I'm going to remove it, then I'll see you after that. So you just pop it out from this side, then you remove it this way, and here is the cover. As you can see, it doesn't have the tweeter. The provision is empty, so I'm going to improvise a little bit and install aftermarket tweeters from some cheap company from China. Okay, here are the tweeters I'm going to use. So as you can see, as I have said, they are from China. The name of the company, Ping or something. So the process is pretty simple. You just open the covers, and then you will find the tweeter itself in here. It's round, and it will almost fit inside here, but you'll have to insert something between the tweeter itself and the cover so that it doesn't move around. Now I'm going to open it. To open it, you just unscrew the two screws. There's one here and another one on the other side. Then you use a screwdriver and pry it from around here. Then this one will pop out. And inside, as I had said, you'll find the tweeter there. Here it is. As you can see, it is round. So once you remove it from the covers, it will look like this. And then what you'll have to do, you'll have to insert it inside here, and as you can see, it is leaving some space. The camera not focusing well. And the cover has some holes. I have covered the back side and to protect the components. And now, as you can see, it fits very well inside here. I'm going to put something between the tweeter and the covers so that it doesn't move around. As you can see, it moves around without some spaces here. So I'm going to insert some pieces of clip. And it's done now. As you can see, it's pretty snug right now. It can't go nowhere. And the wire, it looks good, ready for installation. But before that, we are going to extend this wire so that it can reach where it's supposed to reach.